Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
This is match 69 underway here at the Canadian Pacific Regional. We've just got 4 more of these, counting this one. And so we'll know who our potential alliance captains are for the afternoon. Relatively even start to the autonomous period, but it ends with a Red Alliance lead, 26-14. And drivers now take the controls. Let's take a look at Raid 1 right in front of me here. Arrows pointing forwards always on that robot. And they've got all sorts of interesting drawings all over the polycarb of this machine. They'll follow the arrows over towards their loading zone, top right corner of the field, which is off in Blue Alliance turf. They scoop up a note, and then they'll take the zigzag pattern all the way across the field. There's the Festus for Blue, doing the same for them in the top left corner of the field. Having a lot more drama, though, to scoop up those notes. They do grab a hold of one. They'll pass Idaho's Vern on the way. Vern lines up with the red speaker, in front of which there is a blue robot, seemingly stuck. That's Poway's Team Spider, all the way from California. Gonna need to crawl their way out of red territory sometime before the end of the match. Raid 1, Red Alliance Amplifier not quite able to connect. And they'll try again on a future cycle. Just a few seconds left for the potential of a cooperation bonus between these two alliances. Not looking good though. Red Alliance needs to get an amp score to happen. They lead though by a pretty considerable amount, so maybe they're just not too worried about it. 56-26 is your current live score. The Red Alliance is 2 notes scored in either the amp or speaker away from their melody rank point. Blue Alliance significantly further there. They've got 8 of the 18 requisite. 45 seconds to change that. Hephaestus running real slow to scoop that note out of the top left, and then they absolutely floor it. Smash their way, bump their toe, if you will, on the Red Alliance stage over to the blue speaker, and they connect for 2 points of Alliance score with that note scored. Vern from Idaho, 2 points for red. Airball, note goes flying out all the way into the stands, not even the penalty box. That one came off of, I think, the Raid 0 machine or possibly Forge. Oh yeah, looking at how Forge fires off those notes, that was definitely Forge. That's all right. 3 seconds left in the match. Can we get any robots on stage anywhere? And that's a negative. Match comes to rest, and referees need a minute to chat this one over. Red Alliance victory, 97-31, your final score there in that one. 2 rank points for each of those teams for winning the match, and they got their melody bonus for those 18 notes scored across the amp and the speaker.